In order to bow to the one of multiverse source of light and energy, Bhaskera. Bhaskera is Sanskrit word for sun in English, and to honor the ancient mathematician, astronomer, scientist, engineer Bhaskera, this project named by this project originator Bhaskera as Bhaskera Moon Data City. The era of moon landing was successful. Hence, the next step is to establish a moon data city to collect data from the moon for study and research, collect data about the multiverse from the moon, store and transmit vital data between to and from planet Earth world and new moon world. So, to do this, the plan originated from Bhaskera, and then Bhaskera designed a Bhaskera Moon Data City. To do this, Bhaskera Moon Data City, Bhaskera invites global collaborators to sponsor and participate to build and operate to create new moon world with the humble beginning of Bhaskera Moon Data City. Bhaskera designed Bhaskera Moon Data City with the intention to independently, autonomously, build and operate by artificial super intelligence ASI humanoid robots with minimum support from humans from the planet Earth world. Bhaskera wishes all countries and organizations to collaborate, participate, sponsor to plan, design, build and operate as a one planet Earth world to build new moon world, Bhaskera Moon Data City. Welcome to collaborate. Bhaskera dedicates this new moon world, Bhaskera Moon Data City, to all living in our planet Earth world. Kindly refer to the attached Bhaskera's conceptual plan and design drawings and pictures of new moon world, Bhaskera Moon Data City. Bhaskera looking for an opportunity from you to do the presentation about the plan and design of new moon world, Bhaskera Moon Data City, and wants your supports, all kind of supports, including land, finance, human resources, technology, machineries, materials, etc., and sponsor to build and operate new moon world, Bhaskera Moon Data City as per Bhaskera's plan and design. Structural features and functional, operational feature of Bhaskera Moon Data City. So far explored and known information available about moon, only natural resources available in moon is sunlight and solar energy. Bhaskera took that sunlight solar energy as a primary source of energy to plan, design, build and operate the Bhaskera Moon Data City to create new moon world. As per Bhaskera's conceptual plan and design, solar panels will generate electricity using solar energy available in moon and that supplies electricity to power the data center, electrolysis plant, climate condition plant, data communication sender and receiver units, mechanical electrical plant and computer control station, lighting, electric power charging stations for humanoid robots and all kind of robots such as transportation robots, rovers, trucks, drones, etc. used for build and operate. On the moon, solar energy is not continuously available throughout 28 planet Earth world days, a month, as per moon cycle, which means the shadow of planet Earth stops the sun rays reaching the moon surface gradually and fully dark on one Earth day. In this situation, to overcome the disruption of power supply to Bhaskera Moon Data City, Bhaskera design provides the solution of electrolysis plant and fuel cell plant. Using the excess electricity produced by solar plant during sunny days, the electrolysis plant produces hydrogen and oxygen by splitting water molecules, and that electrolysis plant produces hydrogen and oxygen stored separately in safe storage facilities. While storing hydrogen in storage facilities, say tanks, the tank will be kept upside down as the hydrogen is lighter in weight will stay on top of the tank, and while delivery of hydrogen to fuel cell, the tank be kept straight upwards so gas easily flows to fuel cell. In order to have natural flow of hydrogen to the fuel cell base level inlet kept above the hydrogen storage tank top outlet. This stored hydrogen and oxygen used in fuel cell plant to produce electricity to power the Bhaskera moon data city. The water produced by fuel cells due to chemical reactions to produce electricity will be stored in a water tank to reuse the water in the electrolysis plant for electrolysis process to produce hydrogen and oxygen again and again. Assume this works 80% as perpetual energy recycling. Still need to top up for those lost water due to evaporation, leaks, etc. that need to supply water from planet Earth world from time to time. In addition to the solar panel power plant electricity energy and hydrogen fuel cell power plant electrical energy, an optional and standby, hydrogen, nuclear power plant energy will be placed in design to ensure uninterrupted power supply to Bhaskera moon data city. The climate condition plant maintains the indoor temperature, pressure and humidity as relevant and required to maintain the smooth operation of the Bhaskera moon data center by providing heating, cooling and a clean environment. The communication sender and receiver units are to communicate with planet Earth world control stations about the data collected from the sources of the robot. Charging station is a place for all kind of robots including humanoid robots, drones, trucks etc. to get electric power charged to be active in new moon world to gather data and do the task independently, autonomously, necessary to survive active and act according to the commands and or communications from planet Earth world communication and monitoring station. The data shall be pictures, video, texts, voices, music, sounds etc. Once gathered various necessary data about the new moon world, the data analysis to do and find the suitability to immigrate the humans and living beings to new moon world safely. Contact Bhaskera in the email wincontact@gmail.com.